Hey guys, this is Victor with DIY Time, and today I'm replacing trunk lift support struts on my 2005 Scion TC, and the same procedure will work on all other models just as well. The trunk door would no longer stay in the up position, and it became very inconvenient having to hold it every time you need to get something in and out of the trunk. I'm using a long piece of wood to support the door as I'm working on replacing the struts, but it could be potentially dangerous, so if you can, try to find somebody who can hold the door for you as you're working. So here are the two shocks we're going to be replacing, one on each side, and basically they're filled with gas under high pressure, and when for whatever reason the gas is leaking out, the shocks are no longer able to support the weight of the trunk door. So these are the lift support struts I'm going to be using for my car. A pair of these cost around $15 to $20, so if you're interested, I'll post a link in the description below where I got these from. The support struts attach to the trunk door using ball and socket joint, and to disconnect it, simply pry up and remove the metal retaining clip using a flathead screwdriver, and the strut should come right off the ball joint. Removing the other side could be a little more tricky because there is not that much space to work with, and the best way to do this is to remove this bracket holding the lift support strut. It's held in place by two 10mm bolts, and I'm using this ratcheting wrench, which works really great for tight spaces like this. And now the bracket with lift support strut should come right off. Now with the bracket removed from the car, it literally takes just a few seconds to remove the old and install the new lift support struts. Now we're gonna grab the new support strut, pry up the metal retaining clip, put the strut onto the ball joint and let go of the retaining clip. And it's ready to go back in. Next we're gonna reattach the bracket. Start with the left side bolt first and then reattach the right side bolt. Now we are going to attach the other side of the support strut to the trunk door, and it's going to be pretty much the same process. Pry up the retaining clip using a flathead screwdriver. Next, align the support strut with the ball joint on the trunk door, and finally release the retaining clip. Repeat the same process on the other side and then verify that the trunk door is opening and closing properly. I hope this was helpful. If you'd like to see more Toyota, Lexus, and Scion DIY repairs like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.